How to add Gmail accounts to Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up your Gmail application over here. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then on the top right corner where you see your profile over here, so just tap on that and you'll be able to see the option of add another account at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on that. Then tap on Google. After that, it will start the process of adding the Gmail account. So just use your passkey over here. So here you just have to mention the email ID and your password and you will be able to add another Gmail account to your Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.